Hello and welcome back to Petros. My name is Shreyas and today we are going to discuss about top 5 granites for all kind of uses. The best part is these granites are starting from just ₹45 per square foot and available in a variety of colors and shades. So let's jump into the details of the granite. Petros white granite is an ultimate choice for all kind of households who desire a sophisticated look. Although this is a very basic stone, its versatility adds a sense to it. The white base of this granite has flecking veins that make the granite look stunning. If used as a kitchen countertop, this granite is super resistant to water and ideal for all kind of food preparations. This granite can also be used for window panels, flooring, staircase, facades, exterior floors and doors. This granite is available from a starting price of ₹45 per square foot, but depending on the quality, size and thickness, the range might go up to ₹75 per square foot. To know more about natural white granite, just click on the link in the description below. Desert grey granite has vivid applications. This granite is a higher version of Petros white granite, just in a grey shade. This granite is stronger and durable as compared to the white one. It is versatile in nature, hence can be used in kitchen countertops, stairs, windows, sills, facades, doors, and even on the walls and floors. Due to the peculiarity grey shade, it combines well with all sort of colors including the white, the browns and all sort of pastel shades. Desert grey granite starts from ₹45 per square foot, but depending on the quality, size and thickness, it may range up to ₹75 per square foot as well. Desert brown granite is originally from India. It is just a browner version of the white granite. It has black and brown grains on the slab. It is well known for its finishes. It comes in 3 different finishes like leathered, polished and horn finish. Belonging to the brown family, the granite goes amazingly well with the Italian marble. The factors that make the desert brown granite an absolute fine choice are that it cuts with accurate proportion, has a fabulous attractive look and comes with immaculate finish. This durable granite is available in both the tile and slab form. The price range for this granite starts from ₹45 per square foot and can go up to ₹75 per square foot, depending on quality, thickness and size. Steel grey granite are one of the highly demanded granites coming from India. It comes in dark grey and black background. These are very much suitable for the interiors and exterior projects. This granite is coarsely grained and has a dark grey gabbro. Usually the price ranges are very much high for this particular granite, but depending on the quality, the prices can go much cheaper. When it comes to comparison factor, the Petros white, grey and brown granite are much more strong, durable and versatile. All in all, steel grey granite is common due to its ease of use and ease of cutting. This granite comes in the range of ₹45 per square foot to ₹75 per square foot depending on the quality. Petros black granite is one of the most popular stones due to its modern black glaze. It is also known for its polished finish and it is available in full slabs. This granite is almost free from defects and hence the selling price of this granite in the outer market is ₹180 per square foot. But Petros black is much more lower as compared to the other black granites in the market. Petros black granite is famous for its natural strength and durability. The aesthetic black stone gives a stunning look to your home, be it the home decor or the exterior. The price for this granite starts from ₹85 per square foot and further depending on the quality, it goes up to ₹145 per square foot. Fair, isn't it? So these were some of the most astonishing and budget-friendly granites here at Petros. We have variety of more than 150 granites, out of which 20 are budget-friendly. For further details, you can check our website and you can also get in touch with us via WhatsApp, where we can share a catalog with you having a variety of granites.